your first alert forecast with Chief Meteorologist Chad Crilly.
Extremely quiet weather across the country over the weekend and today. Only spot where there's some activity going on is way out in central Kansas, where a severe thunderstorm watch is in place. But really across the east, all is quiet. An area of high pressure here is located across Virginia. It has a clockwise flow. Our winds over the weekend and this evening have been very light out of the north and northeast. Moisture is slowly starting to creep in from the south. You'll notice it a little bit tonight and tomorrow. It won't be humid out, but temperatures will be a little warmer, especially during the overnight hours. 73 right now in Dothan, 74 in Ozark, mid-70s at Enterprise as well. Troy is at 71 degrees. Blakely back in the 60s now at 68. It is 72 in Donaldsonville, so just a really nice evening. Clear skies all throughout the evening hours. Temperatures here dropping out of the 70s to around 60 by 10 o'clock. After midnight, we're into the 50s, and then tomorrow morning, not quite as cool as our mornings over the weekend. We're likely going to find about 55 to 56 degrees to get going on our Tuesday morning. And then you can see some fair weather clouds passing by. Those are moving out of the Gulf of Mexico as moisture starts to increase a little bit. Not enough moisture to bring us any rain. Still thinking mostly sunny skies throughout Tuesday afternoon. Temperatures back in the mid to low 80s for us for a lot of spots. Wednesday, very similar weather story. It's going to be Wednesday night. Things start to change just a little bit for us. You probably won't notice that there's a cold front approaching from the north. No clouds, really not a whole lot of cold air associated with that front either. Check out the rainfall totals over the next 7 days. Almost none across parts of the Midwest and none at all across the south, southeast, and into the northeast. It's going to bring on some serious drought concerns over the next week. In the tropics, we have Tropical Storm Oscar over Cuba. It doesn't look like much at all. It has weakened quite a bit, but the path does take it over Turks and Caicos, which could bring some heavy rainfall and gusty winds here by Tuesday before it moves out into the Atlantic. Won't be a problem, although it could bring some higher swells to the Carolinas, coastline of Georgia later this week. Back at home, notice a rise in temperatures, 86 by Thursday, mid 80s as well on Friday, upper 80s by Saturday. Another cold front on Saturday night. That drops us down to the low 80s for Sunday and Monday.
This